You can pay 0% in income taxes and still qualify for a loan, but it's all about how you take the money off of your tax return. This is why I encourage you to buy real estate. Depreciation is an add back to your income in order to justify qualifying you for a loan. So if you go into your mortgage lender and you already have depreciation that you took on the tax returns to offset your LLC or your S corporation income or even your W-2 income, they're gonna add that income back onto your W-2 or your S corporation salary income in order to justify you getting a loan. And this is how wealthy people qualify for real estate.
He's right. You can qualify with no income, but it doesn't happen as easily as he's making it sound. Yes, of course, real estate has depreciation and there are add backs. So you sit down with a mortgage officer, but many of us as entrepreneurs don't have that real estate and we still show negative income on paper, and it makes it much more difficult to get a loan. Search out bankers who understand business. Find the ones who do. Make a relationship with those folks, work with them over a long period of time, and then when you finally do need that money, they will help you when other banks would say no.